What do we have here? Oh my goodness. I'll tell you what it is. It is a 2014 BMW X6M. Yeah, you see the 3 stripes. I know. But why is she here? Why is such a beautiful truck at our amazing facility? I'll tell you why. Where else will she be, for one? For two, 4-step paint correction. There's some surface scratches here. I don't know if you can see them on camera too well, but they really need to get buffed out, I'm telling you. 4 steps is really what this baby needs, and it's really gonna bring it right back to life, I'm telling you. Not only that, but customer's still waiting to see what he's gonna do with the wheels. You can get them replaced here at Castro Oasis. Might give them all 4 new. We shall see. Not only an exterior detail, 4-step paint correction, and possible tire replacement, but we're gonna give her an interior detail. Is she clean? I would say she's clean. Is she Oasis fresh though? Not yet, but that is why she's here. That is why this 2014 BMW X6M is at Castro Oasis on 80 Prindle Road in West Haven, Connecticut. I'm telling you, beautiful, beautiful truck. Look at the foliage in the background too. Oh my goodness. But we're gonna bring her right back to life. I'm telling you that. Trust and believe. But hey, let's get to work. See you later, Oasis Nation.